Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 2 case. This is the fabric material case. Looks really awesome. This is actually made by or manufactured by Google. The part number, the SKU down here, it's a GA00160 if you're interested. I will go ahead and post a link to this in my video description below to take you to Amazon if you're interested in buying it. So go ahead and check it out. I think it looks really cool so far just from the packaging. Nothing special, but they just do a really good job. It's just really clean, modern feel, everything, very Apple-like. And so now we'll go ahead and open it up. I believe it slides out. Oh, there it is. Really cool. This texture is really neat. I'll be curious to see how it wears long term. The color's really cool. I love that little turquoise. I love that the little button on the side matches. There's a spot for the cameras, your fingerprint sensor, and your ports at the bottom. Really a cool phone case. So really excited to start using it. The little G logo. I mean, just all the little details. Again, the fabric's really cool, so I'll be curious to see how it holds up long term. But really impressed with it. Here's the inside of the package. It just says, fabric may stain, hand wash only. Good to know. And then a hashtag Team Pixel. So that's it for the case, but it's really cool. Really excited for it. Again, you can check it out in my video description below if you're interested in getting it from Amazon or somewhere like that. Check that out and read reviews for yourself or see if it's the right case for you. So really awesome. Really excited for it and can't wait to put it on my new phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.